Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CIDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the crazy day, quite the rough day, because I mean, there's a bunch of new traders buying up around here, and they just got absolutely slaughtered today. So you don't like to see this stuff. It's frustrating, but it is what it is. So if you're one of those people that got taken to the slaughterhouse, I mean, any honest trader will admit that we've all been there before. All you can really do is learn from it. But from a trading standpoint, though, now there's some interesting areas to keep an eye on. And really the main level that really stands out, I'm just going to get rid of these lines because, those levels have, they don't really pertain anymore. But in the event there is any sort of upwards price movement, which could very well occur, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks like this that are great, and then all of a sudden just get pummeled, and then they start to base out, and there can be some nice snapback bounces. Now, when I say a snapback, I don't mean it's going back up to 250 or 260, but at least from a trading standpoint, potentially some nice upside pressure. And in my opinion, at least, if that has any sort of chance of happening, it's all about that red line right there at $1.10. Now, I mean, there's no such thing as a guarantee, so I'm not saying that, if the price breaks above $1.10, that's for sure going to generate and spark a bunch more upside pressure, but it's at least rational. It's at least a logical thought to have that $1.10 could, summon something like that. So keep a close eye on that. And then as far as areas of support are concerned, definitely the level that really makes quite a bit of difference here is going to be right there at that 90-cent mark. 90 cents just being because if the price ultimately falls below there, so it fails to hold, then, I mean, no guarantees, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price then drift down and test that pink line there, which on my chart represents the very well-known 200-period moving average. But that's not valid until all the way down there at 65 cents, which would essentially be putting the price right back to where it was. So like I said, this is one of these, if you're not good at honoring stop losses and managing risks, you should probably stay away. But, I mean, like I said, if this thing does decide it wants to get turned around, could be a nice little risk versus reward trade here, but we'll see how it plays out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.